Hi, welcome to Ubas TV. Today we want to talk about how to back up your WordPress website using a plugin. This is a video that you have been waiting for. I had an issue with my website which warrants my hosting to spam my website. So today I want to expose what I have gotten. Thank you. Please, before you go out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's not easy to create a quality content like this. Please subscribe to my channel, share the video. Love you. I will produce more when you give me this motivation. Thank you.
Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can back up and restore your WordPress website using a free plugin called Updraft Plus. And this is one of the most highly rated backup plugins. So I'm going to get started, because I'm assuming you know the importance of backing up your website. So you'll need to hover over here and click on Dashboard. Now hover over Plugins, click on Add New. Now for search plugins, type in Updraft Plus and click on Enter. And you should see a plugin with 800,000 active installs. Click on Install Now. Activate the plugin. Okay, once the plugin is activated, you'll need to hover over Settings. Click on Updraft Plus. And then what you'll need to do is click on Settings. So we're going to set up the backup schedule and we're going to make it automatic. Okay, so if you want to set it to weekly, for example, if you don't update your website much, then you might set it to weekly. But if you're always updating with new content, you might want to set it to daily or even 12 hours or something. But I'm going to set it to weekly for both of these. And this is how many scheduled backup it actually keeps. And basically, once you have 2 backups, then it will automatically override it. Okay, so scroll down here and I'm going to select Dropbox, because Dropbox is super easy to set up and you can also create a free account really easily. So select that for now, even if you don't have an account. Scroll down and make sure all these are ticked. Scroll down. If you want a report sent to your email, make sure to tick this box here. I'm not going to tick that in there. I'm just going to click on Save Changes. And then once you've saved changes, you should see a thing here which says you have to authenticate your account. So you'll need to click on that. And basically, you'll have to log in. I'm already logged in. If you don't have an account, you should see a thing here which says Create a Free Account. So make sure to create a free account. And after that, log in and click on Allow. Okay, it should see a success. You've authenticated your Dropbox account, and basically the plugin is backing up your website as we speak. So in 5 to 10 minutes, you should see your files in your Dropbox folder. And I'm just going to give it a 5-minute break, and then you should see a backup pop up here. So I'm going to come back in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back and 5 minutes is up. And if you don't see it, give your page a refresh. And basically, if anything goes wrong, for some reason you lose all your content or you've been hacked, then all you need to do to restore your content and everything is click on Restore and select the things that you want to be restored. In most cases, you might just select all of it and click on Restore. Okay, I'm not going to click on it now because I don't need to. Yeah, so basically that's it. If you have any questions, make sure to drop it down below. And if this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So thank you, and see you guys in the next.